In this tip of the day, let's take a look at another time-saving feature provided by OneCNC. Now, what I'm about to demonstrate is available within all OneCNC CAD CAM systems. In this example, we have a solid model, and the only wireframe geometry we have is the outline of the OneCNC text that you see right here. Alright, so let's head down to the lower right-hand corner into this browser, and let's select the Verify tab. All these tools available on this toolbar are for verifying geometry. Now in the past, if we wanted to interrogate or verify these edges, we'd have to create wireframe geometry first. Well, that's no longer the case. In fact, we can select on the very first verification tool, take our cursor and hover over any one of these edges on the solid model, and over here within the right, we can see the information. Now what's also very nice about this is I don't have to left click or right click. I can just take my cursor and hover over any edge that I like and look over on the right lower hand corner and see exactly all the pertinent information for that edge. And of course, if you want to, you can still verify wireframe geometry as well. Again, just by taking your cursor and hovering over the geometry. This is a real time saver when it comes to verifying surfaces and solids. Now, if you want to copy this information, what you could do is left-hand click on an edge, and when you do that, that information is stored here. So, for example, if I wanted to store the actual radius of that arc that I selected, I could take my cursor, select that value, right-hand mouse click, and select copy, and then I can use that later on for anything that I'd like. Alright, that's it for this tip of the day. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.